Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're looking at air control. So if you just bought yourself a nice new RC car and you're watching all these guys on YouTube doing massive backflips and you're wondering how do I do that, then this video is for you. So first off, we're going to go over the basics. So when your RC car is in the air and you hit the power button, the front end of the car goes up and the back end goes down. When you hit the brakes when you're mid-air, the back end goes up and the front end goes down. You can see where I'm going with this. So now we're going to look at landing the car before we do anything else. So when you land your car, you want to land it kind of like that. So the rear wheels go down first and the front wheels follow it quickly. If not, then land it with all four wheels on the deck. Now another thing, when you do land your car from a jump, make sure you're off the power. So do not land your RC car with the power on or the brakes on, because that will just strip a spare gear straight away. Now we're going to do backflips. Now backflips are really easy. I love doing backflips. It's the most fun thing you can do with an RC car, in my opinion. So all you do is when you leave the jump, keep hold of the power and it'll spin by itself, and then when it lines up almost with the ground, let go and you should land it nicely. In theory, that's how easy it is. Now, you've watched the backflips, and I've got to say, that tall one at the end there, that's one of the highest backflips I've ever done, and it landed beautifully. But now we're going to move on to front flips. Now, I've never ever done a front flip, and I managed to do one today, landed the car on the roof, and didn't try another one. Well, thanks for watching the video today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned from it. And if you do want to see more beginners tips for RC cars, then please make sure you subscribe. Cheers guys, take care.